Welcome to Armor's Online IT School, and there are also new IT jobs. And if you want to post any job, then you can also just email me at admin@Armor's Online IT School, and I will just give the description of your job here on the YouTube channel. And today's job is service desk support, and it is available in Humber River Hospital. So and the position profile is, first of all, they're paying $29 up to $30 per hour, and you should know Microsoft Office, you should know Microsoft Windows operating system, and leveraging available tools like SMS, remote support utilities, knowledge base, and other resources of documentation to resolve incidents in an efficient and effective manner, and transferring and escalating incidents and problems to second and third level support. You should know PC hardware, and what they want you to have knowledge about: 3 years experience in Microsoft Windows 7, 8, Office 2013, Server 2008-2012, MS SQL 2008-2012, and Citrix Desktop. It is required experience, right? So do try to contact them on their website, Humber River Hospital, and that is service desk support job, right? So I'll be putting this link there in the description area of this video, and if you want to advertise your jobs, then just email me on that email that I've given there, this email, and do subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon, so you could be alerted about latest jobs. Okay guys, so see you next time.